after each Pankaj Tripathi performance, I tell myself कि अब तो he has outdone himself, इससे अच्छा तो ये खुद भी नहीं कर सकते. But then enters a new Pankaj Tripathi performance and he really goes.
क्यों हिला डाला ना?
Pankaj Tripathi should be protected at all cost. He is a blessing to Indian film industry. Hello everyone, welcome to Sincerely Cineholic. I am Mugdha and today I am going to be reviewing Kagaz. So Kagaz is based on the real life story of Lal Bihari Mritak. Although at the very beginning we are told कि इस फिल्म में लाल बिहारी मृतक की सच्ची घटनाओं का नाटकीय रूपांतरण किया गया है और फिल्म के पात्र और उनके व्यवसाय को फिल्म की रोचकता बढ़ाने के लिए रचनात्मक स्वतंत्रता के आधार पर बदला गया है. So I don't think that you should totally rely on this movie for the actual facts, because even I did a few research and read few articles here and there, and Kagaz have few things and events different. So rather than treating this movie as completely biographical, try to treat this movie as a light-hearted comedy drama which has elements of social commentary and satire into it. Coming to the plot, set around the late 70s, 80s and early 90s, this movie follows the story of a bandmaster Bharat residing in a small village in Uttar Pradesh who finds out that he was declared dead on the government records. People behind declaring him dead on the paper are his own family members, जो ये सब करते हैं because ज़मीन जायदाद का लालच. So the story moves forward on how Bharat fight against Indian bureaucracy, trying to prove कि he is alive in real life.
अभी हम जिंदा हैं.
Movie circles around this fight and how this fight affects Bharat's personal life and relations, etc. etc. The subject of the film is good, but the writing as well as the direction, both of which are done by Satish Kaushik, loses grip quite a lot of time, which in turn make the whole running of the movie a little boring. Editing is messy and so is the whole flow of the story. Honestly, the only pillar of this movie which makes the watch engaging enough is Pankaj Tripathi's honest and devoted performance. Also, at several points, the dynamic of the performances feels so अजीब. मतलब एक तरफ पंकज त्रिपाठी, मोनाल गज्जर playing Bharat's wife, Satish Kaushik playing the part of the lawyer, performs with काफी flawlessness and realism. But on the contrary, बाकी almost सारे actors execute their part with either over-the-top dramatic or too underwhelming performance that the whole balance gets disturbed, and personally it made my movie watching experience a little bit unpleasant. Although I should give the credit to the vision of Satish Kaushik to bring out quite authentic flavors of rural India through some good wide shots of farms and few amazing funny conversations between different villagers that makes you believe that atmosphere of this movie belongs to rural parts. But still, some things were a little difficult to digest, like some random slow motion shots, a very unnecessary item song which is placed in the movie for what reason, I don't know. And Salman Khan is the producer of this film and you are not allowed to forget that. So there is, for no good reason, a narration of a poetry on Kagaz done by Mr. Salman Khan at the beginning and at the very end, which does not make sense to me because Satish Kaushik is the real narrator in this film. So Salman Khan ki poetry, kyun? Bye. Okay, so I am no filmmaker to tell the director what to do or what not to do, but from the audience point of view, if this movie was presented with balanced performances, crisp narrative without those unnecessarily long conversations, and some better editing and transitions between the scenes, then in my opinion, this movie would have been extraordinary. Now it's time for some positivity. Number one, the important subject of this movie. See, I pointed out all the bad aspects of this film so that you know exactly what you are getting into while watching this movie, but it is worth a watch because of what it stands for. Like, I had no idea that this incident actually happened in real life, and it is important for such things to come out and for people like me to stay aware of such causes and fights that are happening, because this is extremely sensitive matter. Number two, heartwarming positivity. I can assure you that once you finish watching this movie, you will feel so light in your heart and so inspired and positive, because that's what this movie is, a very nice warm hug for you. Number three, performances. देखो, पंकज त्रिपाठी तो बेस्ट है ही, उसमें कोई डाउट की बात नहीं है. But even Monal is amazing with the part and so is Satish Kaushik. Monal effectively presented the role of a supporting wife, and Satish Kaushik brings a very nice touch of comedy to the film with his part. Number 4, Udit Narayan और Alka Yagini का साथ में song इस movie में. And honestly, this song and their reunion is the best escape from काफी unsatisfying remixes which we are being served lately. According to me, I think you should definitely give this movie at least one watch. Kagaz is streaming on ZEE5, and if you've already seen this movie, then comment down your views about it. And usse pehle, do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram handle by the same name, Sincerely Cineholic. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.